All right, so we're here with Tayvon Gray, Reggae Boys right back. First time in National Stadium, debut, you came on, you kept it solid. First of all, how was the debut before we even talk about the game? How did you feel?
It was good still. Main objective, we won. Got the 3 points. I think that's the main objective, yeah. My debut was good. I thought the atmosphere was different. As you touch it, yeah. You know what I'm saying? I like it. I like it still.
You like that the fans are always on you?
For sure. I think it keep you sharp still.
All right. From the bench, what were some of the things that you saw that the Hondurans, were posing to our team? And what did the coach say for us to adjust in the second half? Because we were definitely better in the second half.
I thought we had control of the game, majority of it still, even in the first half. I think there was time where they had moments, but I think overall we dominated. I think that was the message, just subs come on and bring it to another level.
All right, and you're another player that played yourself into this team. I've been calling for you to be included into this team. How does it feel to finally get the call up? Feel like all the hard work, is paying off and finally getting to play in front of your family, in front of your country?
For me, I'm more of a longevity. I'm more of a just keep going. I don't really get too complacent. So yeah, it's a big moment for me, but for me, I'm honestly on to the next game. So that's just how I think.
All right. What will Tayvon Gray offer to this national team? What can we see from you? Because today we saw solid, we saw long throws, we saw a variety of things. But tell the people that are unfamiliar with the game, what to expect from you.
I'm confident. I think I bring life to the team. Defending ability is probably my best attribute. And yeah, I'm a team player. Whatever my team needs me to do, I'm gonna do it.
All right, there we go. And they say overall, you like this team vibes?
Yeah, all right. Of course, full of vibes.
All right, there we go.
Before everything, stir fry everything before the game. It's a nice vibe.
All right, there we go. Tayvon Gray, big up yourself, Bala. Respect.